Diwali is here and it's time to give your home a new and fresh look. You must be having some beautiful bells and diyas from last year. Today I'll show you how you can give them a different and fresh look. Combination of the bells and diyas of different size put together with nice beads and placed at different heights will give astonishing effect to your home. To start with, need to add a fresh coat of paint on the old bells to give them new life. I have used pearl colors here as it gives a nice shining look. Doing it yourself is fun, easy and light on pockets. You can involve kids also in this fun project. Once the paint is dried completely, we'll draw the patterns using 3D outliners. We'll add a single string of stones to give festive look to this simple diya. On the bells, we'll add some stones, string of small golden beads and strings of stones. We'll add crystal beads on the string to hang the blue and silver colored diya and bell. Golden and white beads for the rest and golden bell. I've arranged the strings to keep the diyas and bells at different heights, and the combination can be used in different ways to liven up your home. Hope you liked the idea. Do stay tuned for more such budget friendly ideas. Thank you.
Bye.